Hello and welcome to the next month, September. I have already printed my sheet and cut it, and I have from the urban garden these elements and some from spring fling and Easter things. So first I need to glue the sheet into my notebook. And then I want to try to blend in this element a little bit into the page. So this is why I glue it first onto my background, and then I start to paint and to use stencils. And now with the modeling paste and the stencil, I will bring some texture onto the page. And with the watercolors I go on and sprinkle a little bit of the green onto the stencil. I don't want to have this white. I have this wax paste which is very creamy, and you can nice blend in this wax into the background, and I will just go over some parts, and with this blending tool I blend in a little bit of this gray. And now let's arrange these elements. There are only 3 of them, so it's very easy. Yes, and that's the end of my page. It's done. I hope I could give you some inspiration again, and thanks for watching, and see you next month. Bye!